Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask one question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time and a handsome salary, which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. Now let's try to calculate your salary. How much you can earn after learning data science. So let's see. So I will provide this salary calculator link in the description box so that you can also check your salary. For now, let's click on the get started. Here you need to enter your name, right? Click on next. Next. Your highest qualification, then next, then your year of passing, right? Next, then total work experience, right? You can enter whatever you have. Then next, after that, your knowledge, right? How would you rate your knowledge in statistics? You can click on next, or whatever you have. Next, then how would you rate your knowledge of programming, right? You can enter whatever you have, right? Next, are you trained or currently training in data science? No or yes if you are, right? Next, your preferred work location. I will prefer anywhere in India. Then next, here we need to enter our email ID, right? So you need to enter your email ID here. Then next, then here you need to enter your mobile number here, right? Then click on the submit. Once we click on the submit, we can see if we upskill our statistics and programming skill, then we can earn up to 10 lakhs per annum, right? So right, you can see. And one more important thing, you need to click here, I'm interested, and click on the talk to our counselor. Once you click on this talk to our counselor, then you will get a call back, right? So please click on this, right? Yeah, so this is this. Now after this, now let's try to see. So question is, from where you can learn data science with placement assistance? So answer is Odin School. You can join Odin School Data Science Bootcamp because Odin School Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science but also you will get a placement assistance, right? Now let's see some success stories of this Odin School. So you can see, if you scroll, then you can see there are a lot of candidates who got placed in top companies, right? So one more important thing, all the candidates got high packages because Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages, right? So you don't have to worry about your salary, right? Now next thing is fee structure. So for this bootcamp, fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but you can get a scholarship up to 30,000 rupees. Also there is an early bird offer, which means you can get additional 8,000 rupees off, but this is limited to the first 100 seats, so hurry up. So now let's revise this. So bootcamp fee is 99,000 rupees plus GST, but you can get scholarship up to 30,000 rupees. Also you can get 8,000 rupees off. This is early bird offer, right? So if we subtract these two amounts, then you need to pay around 61,000 rupees plus GST, so hurry up. Now one more thing, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, then your fee will be fully refunded. Also, if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, don't worry, there is a no cost EMI option is available, which starts at 5,506 rupees per month, right? So hurry up. Registration link is already given in the description and also in the pinned comment. Now upcoming cohort is starting from 29th July 2023, right? And next cohort is starting from 26th August 2023, right? So after that, next let's try to see the curriculum. So for this curriculum, core modules, you will learn setup to data science, statistics, SQL, Python, EDA, machine learning, Power BI, business intelligence, storytelling, right? And in electives, you will learn Git, GitHub, NLP, ETL, Spark, Airflow, Azure Data Factory, Power BI Advanced, right? So now let's see what you will get in this data science bootcamp. Before that, you can see the rating, 4.6 rating, right? This is really excellent rating. And you can see total 1032 candidates reviewed this, right? So here in this data science bootcamp, you will get live instructor led bootcamp, right? After that, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, unlimited job opportunities. So what you have to do, simple, you will get registration link in the description box and also in the pinned comment. Then after that, once you click on that link, then here you need to fill this form, your first name, last name, your email ID, then here you need to enter your mobile number, then your year of passing, right, year of graduation, then your total work experience, right. If you don't have any experience, it means if you are fresher, then you can click here none, right. After that, you need to click here request a callback, then you are done, right. And one more thing, you can see there are total more than 500 companies which are hiring partner of this Odin school. So there are unlimited opportunities, right. So you don't have to worry about the placements, right. Yeah, so please check this course because registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.